Hello, this is Laura, and welcome to Become a Fluent English Speaker. Welcome to day 43 of your English Fluency Challenge. Today, we are going to work on something very practical. Small talk. Starting conversations, keeping them going, and feeling comfortable while speaking with people. Because in real life, most conversations are not deep or serious. They are simple, friendly, and natural. Let me ask you something honestly. Do you find it difficult to start a conversation in English? Do you feel awkward when there is silence? That is what we are going to fix today. Today, you will learn how to start, continue, and enjoy small talk in English. Let me tell you something important. Small talk is not about saying something perfect. It is about saying something simple and friendly. Let's start with a simple idea. Start with easy topics. For example, you can talk about your day, the weather, your routine, or what you are doing. For example, you can say, "How has your day been?" or "What are you working on these days?" These are natural conversation starters. Now let's go deeper. Add follow-up questions. Do not stop after one sentence. For example, "That sounds interesting. What do you enjoy about it?" This keeps the conversation going. Now let's practice. Someone says, "I am learning English." You respond, "That is great. What part do you enjoy the most?" This is simple and natural. Now let's move to your first exercise. It is called Start the Conversation. Imagine you meet someone. You say, "Hello, how are you doing today?" or "What have you been working on lately?" Keep your tone friendly. Now your second exercise is keep it going. When the other person speaks, react and ask something. For example, "That sounds nice. How did you start?" This creates flow. Now let's go deeper. Your third exercise is handle silence. If there is a pause, restart the conversation. For example, "By the way, I wanted to ask you something," or "That reminds me of something interesting." This helps you stay comfortable. Now let's practice real conversation. Someone says, "I had a busy day." You respond, "That sounds tiring. What kept you busy today?" This is friendly and engaging. Now let's move to something powerful. Your fourth exercise is share a little about yourself. Do not only ask questions, add your own thoughts. For example, "I also had a busy day, but I tried to stay productive." This makes the conversation balanced. And now let me share something important. People enjoy simple and natural conversations. You do not need complex English to connect with others. Now let me talk to you honestly. You have reached day 43. That means your English is not just fluent, it is becoming social and natural. You are learning how to connect with people in real-life situations. This is a powerful skill. Now let's do one powerful exercise together. Speak for 1 minute as if you are having a small talk conversation. Start, "Hi, how has your day been?" Continue, ask questions, respond, and keep the flow natural. Now let me give you one powerful tip. Be curious. When you show interest, conversations become easier and more enjoyable. Now let's do one final practice. Imagine you meet someone new. You respond, "Hi, nice to meet you. What do you usually do in your free time?" This is simple and natural. Now before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, day 43 complete. And this time, write one question you can use to start a conversation. Keep it simple, but make it natural. This is Laura, and remember, real fluency is not just speaking. It is connecting with people easily and naturally. I will see you in day 44. Keep going.